Tui, welcome officially to Bedford Blues. You're the first summer signing. How good does that sound?
Yeah, really good. I'm glad I've finally got something sorted for myself and not too far away from where I was before, so just keen to get stuck in when everyone goes to work.
Yeah, you were here last season. How much of a benefit is that going to be moving forward?
Yeah, big benefit. I mean, I know a lot of the boys already at this club, and I know we've made a couple of new signings, so I'll be keen to get to know them and just, get back to where we left off at the end of last season.
Yeah, how did you think you did last season?
Yeah, tough. I mean, 10 games off of the back of a lot of months off. I think I took a while to get warmed into it, but as we close out the season, I felt I found my rhythm again. So just important that I take that through in my pre-season and make sure I hit the ground running when it comes to start of next season.
Yeah, try last pre-season in the Battle of Bedford. Unfortunately, not one in the Championship. I guess that's a target moving forward.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, as I said, it was a long off season for me in terms of no game time and stuff. So whenever we go again, I'll make sure I try and get some points for myself.
Yeah, we come in on the perfect result last season. Had crowds here as well. I guess how much of a positive was that, and how much are you looking forward to more of that in the future? Yeah,
last game of the season, they brought a lot of energy with them when they came last. For the Battle of Bedfordshire, and I think that has a huge advantage for us, and I think I'm quite lucky to have experienced that at least one time, and I'm keen to get some more of that whenever we start again.
Yeah, can you maybe talk us through some of the other reasons why you thought Bedford was the perfect place for you to join this summer?
Well, the coaches were really welcoming first time I came here. I met them a couple of seasons before prior, and they were really welcoming then, and then the style of rugby they play, I think I'd fit in quite well with their team. And yeah, just I've heard that they have really good supporters around here, and I'll be keen to put on the jersey for them.
Yeah, you played 9 games last season, had a loan spell with Nottingham the season previous. Yeah. What have you learned about the Championship in those 2 seasons?
Championship, it's always paid for. And a lot of teams change up their sides year in year out, and when there's a new season, it's anyone's for the taking. And with the signings that we've made, I think we can put in a good shift this season, and I'm really excited to see where we can take this team.
Yeah, and I think you're looking to move to the area. I guess that shows again how committed you are to this club and how you're looking to settle around here.
Yeah, I mean, when I was here for the loan, I wasn't really in the area. I was in between Northampton and here. So now that I'm here, I think I should get down here and make sure that I spend some good time here, familiarise myself with the town, familiarise myself with the boys as well, and just properly get stuck into the Bedford life.
And I'm sure you're going to be really excited about pre-season. It was a strange pre-season last time out. I guess we can be a little bit more normal this time around. How much are you looking forward to it?
No, I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, it's going to be a tough few weeks. But as I say, there's going to be some new boys in, so I'll be happy to put in some work with them and get to know them over those weeks, as well as put in some hard graft. So, hopefully we make it through all right, and we can put ourselves in the best position for the start of next season.
And having been through that transition, being a Northampton player coming to Bedford, how much do you think that's going to help next season when we've got other players, and maybe you can be that sort of link between both?
Yeah, I mean, I've valued my time really well at Saints, and I think I've come out a better player than I entered it. So any knowledge that I can bring to the club from my experience at that level, I think would help them, and I'd be keen to just put my hand up whenever they need me to, just to give them some words.
It was a strange integration process last season between both squads, but I guess with that foot in both camps, it's going to be a little bit easier this time around. I mean, how excited are you about building for a full Championship campaign?
Yeah, I think it'll be a lot better this time around. I think, seeing as I'm now here full time, and I can probably mingle with the boys as opposed to in and out of teams, and I think that will benefit a lot more, getting to know them on a day-to-day sort of basis. And I mean, when we have that sort of cohesion off the field, it can only benefit us on the field.
Yeah, you've spoken about that break before coming to Bedford. Only a shortened Championship campaign last time out. We're expecting a full campaign this time around. I guess it's going to give you that chance to show yourself over a prolonged period of time. Yeah,
definitely. I just want some more game time, especially when we get some week in, week out games, and everyone starts to find their rhythm again after a weird season. I think it will be huge for us, and we can definitely use that to get some more W's for the team.
Yeah, game time clearly then an important factor. What else are you looking out of coming to Bedford?
Just learn as much as I can. I mean, I spent a couple of years in Nat 2. I've spent a couple of years in the Prem side of things, so I'll be keen to just see how things fare up in the Championship. These coaches, you got Mikey Rea here, who's got loads of experience, and A-Ray as well. There's been nothing but helpful since I've been here, so keen to see what the setups are like here and see where I can take things. I think with the step down, I know I'll be getting a bit more game time here, and I'm keen to just develop myself a bit more, and I think I'll definitely get that while I'm out here.
And actually that despite you've left Saints for the time being, that they'll still be watching you week in, week out.
Yeah, I know. I was speaking to some of the ACAB boys that I'll still be there next season, and they've been telling me they're probably going to come back for their loan spell, so not too far away, and the coaches are always watching. But I think I'm just going to focus on myself for this next year, just focus on my game, get some experience at Championship level, find my rhythm again, and see where it goes.
Perfect. Well, Tui, welcome to Bedford Blues.
Thank you.